Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of small cap world at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investments. Monday, February the 2nd, the day after Super Bowl Sunday. Congratulations to the Steelers and all our Steeler fans on AGORACOM, and congratulations to Arizona for an incredible game. I've got 4 great press releases for you from both sides of the border, some great numbers, some financial results, some sales figures. Let's get straight to it. Going to start you off first with Alpine Air Express. This trades on the US OTC under the stock symbol APNX. They issued both their fourth quarter and year-end results for October 31st, 2008. This is an air cargo transport company. I'll tell you a little bit about them in a minute. For the fourth quarter, revenues increased 15% to $5.4 million. For the year-end, revenue increased 8% to $19.8 million. And book value at year-end totaled $13.8 million or 38 cents per share. That's book value. So I want to talk about two things. First, on the valuation point of view, they closed on Friday at 22 cents, and the company's telling us they got a book value of 38 cents. Obviously overvalued if there aren't any other caveats there for you to look for. Second, given the fact that the cargo business suffered significant losses, I think cargo shipments down about 22% in the fourth quarter around the world. Great to see a company that, in fact, increased their revenues both on a quarterly and annual basis. The company closed at 22 cents, and they had a range of 7 cents to 55 cents over the last 52 weeks. So well done for Alpine Air Express. Next up, Mosaid Technologies trades on the TSX, the big board, under MSD. Big announcement here. They announced that Nokia has licensed Mosaid wireless patents. Okay, this is a worldwide non-exclusive wireless patent license with Nokia. That's the big Nokia out of Finland, the phone producer. What's important here for investors to realize is Mosaid is granting Nokia a license. This isn't Mosaid getting a license from Nokia to sell products. It's the other way around. In other words, Nokia needs these patents from Mosaid for their wireless technology patents. The details of the agreement are confidential, as you can imagine. That's par for the course for these kind of arrangements. I do have a quote here from John Lindgren, President and CEO, who said, Nokia, the world leader in the mobile phone industry, is the first major vendor of Wi-Fi-enabled handsets to license Mosaid's wireless patents. Pretty good score for Mosaid there. They also announced that they settled some patent litigation with Micron. Go take a look at those details. But a little bit about Mosaid. They count many of the world's largest technology companies as its licensees. Very important there. They closed on Friday, 839, just off their 52-week low of 690, but still off their high of 1848. But good news out of Mosaid. Vanguard also trades on the TSX under VRS. They announced a $5 million order for security equipment to Brazil. As always with these kind of homeland defense security deals, you don't get many details in the press releases for obvious reasons. What we do know, it's an order worth approximately $5 million for a variety of explosive ordnance disposal equipment for Brazilian security forces. Sales in the region, the company states, are expected to contribute significantly to the company's personal protective business in fiscal 2009. What do they provide? You can imagine solutions for protection and countermeasures against hazardous devices of all kinds, including chemical, biological, radiological, including improvised explosive devices, better known as IEDs. And we know IEDs have killed a great number of Canadian, U.S., and allied forces in both Afghanistan and Iraq. So these kind of solutions are welcome. And they've also got on the list remote control IEDs as well. So if they can put an end to that or significantly reduce that, they're going to get some great traction. They closed on Friday at 19 cents, just off their low of 7 cents, but way off their high of $5.60. So you're going to have to go take a look there and find out what kind of negative events might have taken place, because that's a massive drop, more than what we'd have expected out of most companies. Nonetheless, great sales, and at 19 cents might represent great value for AGORACOM viewers going forward. And finally, on the resources end, Max Resources trades on the venture under MXR. They announced that they intercepted 50 feet of 0.1212% of molybdenum and 100 feet of 0.0712 0.0712% moly. This is at their Gold Hill moly copper gold project in Alaska. These are all assays now that have been received from a 10-hole drill program of about 7,600 feet completed at this project in Alaska. This follows up on a 5-hole drill program conducted in 2007 that intersected significant moly mineralization. Go and take a look at the details of these numbers, but there's some pretty good numbers there. They closed on Friday at 17 cents, just off their low of 7 cents, or significantly off their low of 7 cents, but still below the low of their high of 50 cents. And again, as we've been saying on AGORACOM TV, good small cap junior companies are going to make great gains in the first quarter. Look at that. You've got about 150% gain on Max Resource already. And I got a couple stock calls for you. Just came in last minute. We've got Softchoice Corporation, trades on the stock symbol SO. It's halted at 9:29 a.m. pending news. Sierra Minerals, under the stock symbol SIM, halted at 9:28 a.m. pending news. And finally, Ignition Point Tech, trading on the venture under IPN, we're halted at 9 o'clock pending news. So make sure to go take a look at those, because you never know if you just found your next great small cap press release. That's a wrap. As always, if you're looking for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM 100, taking the investment community by storm. This is an elite exclusive group of great small cap companies to help you begin your small cap research in a market that, quite frankly, I believe is far too oversaturated. Make the AGORACOM 100 your starting point. Close to 70 companies now listed by industry and exchange with great descriptions to help you find the one that best suits your portfolio. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.